Hi all, welcome to Mano Cooks and I'm Mano. With just 1 cup of wheat flour or atta, we can make a melt-in-mouth halwa within 30 minutes for any festival or for prasadam. Let's learn how to make this wonderful prasad as you get in Gurdwara. This is 3 ingredient sweet recipe, but there are a lot of tips and tricks. So please make sure to watch the video till the end to know all of them and then start making. The ingredient needed for this new sweet dish is very simple. 1 cup each of ghee or clarified butter, wheat flour and sugar, and 2 cups of warm or hot water, and optional ingredients would be cardamom powder and chopped almond or badam. As you all know, you can get the ingredient list on the description box down below this video too. Let's make this yummy kada prasad together. Keep a non-stick kadai or a non-stick pan or a heavy bottom pan. Turn the heat on medium flame. Now let's add 1 cup ghee. Once ghee is slightly hot, when you see all the ghee starts to melt, please decrease the heat to medium low. This is a very important step. Best tip here, the ghee should only be slightly hot before we add our next ingredient. When ghee is all melted, keep the flame in low. Slowly add atta with one hand and keep mixing it so that there are no lumps with another hand. Keep mixing the atta and the ghee until there are no lumps as you see in the video. Remember to keep the flame on low at this point. My best tip here, if the ghee is too hot, then the flour will burn instantly. So always keep in mind that the ghee should be slightly hot before adding atta. We need more patience at this stage. Keep stirring the ghee and atta and keep cooking it. If any time you don't stir, then atta might settle at the bottom and get burnt. This roasting the atta in the ghee took me 20 minutes in low flame. When you're stirring, be very careful as this is hot ghee. So if you try to do it faster, there are chances that it might spill on you. So keep mixing in one direction, and that too in medium speed, not too fast. My stove has 0 to 10 heat adjustments and I have cooked it whole time alternating between 1 and 2. So always alternate the heat between medium, low and low heat. So when we keep roasting atta, it would start to change color slowly to biscuit or caramel color. Keep cooking. Now at this point, let's add 2 cups of water in a pan and heat it on medium low flame as we need warm water for our halwa. We need to do this at this point so that it's ready when we need it. Please do not boil the water too much and reduce the quantity of it. Now as you can see from the video, our mixture is little darker. Keep cooking and towards the end, our mixture should turn dark in color. This can take anywhere between 20 to 23 minutes on alternating between low and medium low flame. Please do it carefully. My best tip here, when it is ready, you would get a nice aroma and you can feel lot of heat from the pan. That's the point. You can make sure that it's ready. Reduce the flame to low and add 1 cup sugar. Mix the sugar very well and keep cooking it for another 3 minutes. Also, if you are new here, please do consider to subscribe to my channel to learn more such recipes with all the tips, and also please click on the bell button to watch my videos as soon as I upload them. As you can see, our atta has got a beautiful brown color, not too light and not too dark. This is how we want it. In the meantime, check if water is ready. Now let's add water slowly with one hand and mix it with another hand. Make sure that there are no lumps formed at this stage. So be quick and mix the water in the mixture, and as you can see, the water will quickly get absorbed by the halwa in no time. Once we mix all the water in the mixture, halwa will come together as you see in the video. Remember to do all this in low flame. In few seconds, halwa would start leaving the sides of the pan. Mix it once and add our optional ingredients, chopped badam and crushed cardamom powder. This is optional, but it did elevate the taste, so please do try adding them. At this point, if you look closer, the halwa would start oozing out the ghee, and the color is also perfect at this point. When you see ghee coming out of the halwa, it's ready. Now turn off the flame and transfer the kada prasad to a container and garnish with chopped nuts before you serve. My best tips, please do not decrease the amount of ghee. Ghee should only be lightly hot. Reduce the flame to low before adding atta. Roast it in the right flame. If the flame is too hot, atta would get burnt and it won't taste good. Once you see dark brown color, add sugar. Add warm or hot water slowly and make sure to mix until no lumps. Flame should be low when you add water so that the mixture do not splatter on you. That would be the best tips to nail this recipe every time. As you can see, we have made a very yummy, smooth melt-in-mouth halwa. This is the exact way it is done in Gurdwara and it tastes out of the world. Please make sure to try this on Janmashtami or just for yourself and enjoy. Please consider subscribing to Mano Cooks, and also please like my Facebook page Mano Cooks. Thanks a lot for watching.